Hey, it's Eran here. In this tech tutorial on Skool, I am going to share with you how you can customize your own profile URL. Now, I'll explain to you what that means and why you may want to do that. But before I do, I want to explain to you what that actually means. So you can see that this is my personal profile, and you could see that this is my username. And I want to customize that so it's not a random, obviously Eran-Bukai, that's correct. But 1479, I'd like to change that. Now, in order to be able to change that, you need to have certain number of points to be able to do that, certain level of engagement. And the easiest way to do that is to actually join the Schoolers community and engage there until you reach that level. Or if you've got your own group as well, you can actually gain points by actually being in the community, engaging, and being an active community owner as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and edit my profile. So I'm going to click on right here on edit profile. You could see all the contributions at the bottom. So now you could see the URL right here, and you could see here change URL. Now it says you can only change the URL once, so be careful. Now in my case, I'm simply going to go with Eran because that's my name, and keep it simple. And I'm going to click on change URL, and then it says, are you sure you want to change the URL from school blah blah to school@Eran? You can only change it once, so be careful. And yes, I'm happy with that. Now when I try to change this to Eran, you will see that it says change URL, and it says when I click on change, it actually gives me an error page, and that's because someone else has already taken that URL. So I'm just going to change it to my full name, Eran Bukai. Click on change URL. Yes, and that's that. Now it is at Eran Bukai, and that is my name for the Skool URL. Now if I go to this page right now and I go to skool.com/@Eran Bukai, you can see right now it's an error page. Now I'm going to click on enter, and you will see that you can see me. And also, just out of curiosity, I was like, who the hell took the Eran name? And you can see there's another guy called Eran. So there you go. He's taken my name. That's fine. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Hope you got value from it. Somewhere around here, you're going to see a playlist of all the tutorials I have on Skool, because I got a bunch of other tutorials as well, so you could check it out. And feel free to leave a comment with any question or tutorial request you have for me on this platform. If you haven't signed up for it already and created your own community, go to eran.link/Skool to sign up for a free account and check it out. This is my affiliate link. And when you do, and you actually start paying, you can request access to join my own Skool community completely for free as a bonus. So eran.link/Skool. And if you want to check out my own community, you can go to eran.link/my Skool. That's about it. Really appreciate you. See you in the next tutorial somewhere around here on the playlist.